Ideation TV, bridging ideas to reality.
I'm Melkiado January, a presenter for Economic Empowerment Group. We have been working on the selection and the grouping of the presented ideas from the public, from all of you. And now we've made the 3 in every group. And finally we have 2 cross-cutting. When it comes to the opportunities availed in the economic empowerment, we have 3 of them. One is supportive economic empowerment policy. In Tanzania, right now, the government is very positive on the economic empowerment programs and issues. So if you've got a good idea, if you give it to the government is very supportive of that. And the second opportunity is availability of digital platforms for business facilitation. There is a lot of digital platforms, and if you look on government side, they have also embarked on these digital platforms. We have GPG. Now you cannot pay government money, always goes to the digital platform GPG. And we also have the in the payment of tax. Now we do e-filing, so you can stay at your home and you pay tax, both for government, for limited company, and for individuals as well. And the third one, we have this. Also, we have this social media, which is a very good environment for growing the business. Now it has cut a lot of cost for the promotion, so you can use social media to promote your business very well without using another investment. The third opportunity is the availability of arable land for agribusiness and investment. In Tanzania, we have a very good land, which is fit for agriculture and also fit for investment. So you can just take for the land lease, or which one else can come. You have the land, you enter what you call PPP, so others invest, and you have the land that is good for investment. These are the 3 top opportunities we found in the economic empowerment. Comes to challenge, we have also 3 challenges. One is the availability of working capital for startups and business growth. It's really we are short of capital platforms or sources. So someone who wants to start a business, we really struggle to get good capital to invest in the whatever environment you have. Mostly for startups. Yeah. Leave aside the others who are already established, well established. The second one is the lack of customized business development support services based on specific value chain. This BDS is very wide, but we really want to see a kind of BDS support which is customized. That someone is want to develop a business in the mango sector, for example, or in this horticultural produce. So we need some kind of niche of that service, BDS services, to that particular value chain, so that to make it grow very well. The third one is the lack of supportive infrastructures for startups. Example, for startups are facing a lot of challenges. One of them, when they want to start a business, they find that they have a very limited capital, so they cannot build house or the factory infrastructure for them to start. So we see it as a challenge. One of them would like to see the environment where I start and find a ready-made environment, like having the business, we call the business incubation hubs, or we call this business hubs, or one-stop center for business formalization. For the startup or someone who is going to start a business, if he or she find this kind of environment, will be very happy to start a business. Another one is something like training and production centers. We also need to see such kind of environment where someone can go, can be trained on maybe production of biscuits or production of peanut butter or related. So someone is there as in a training, but also after the training have the environment where he or she can produce, and later a place where he or she can pack, and later get out with a product, well certified products to go to the market, and also well equipped with the business knowledge and the other procedures to undertake before going to the market. The cross-cutting issues that we found is about gender justice and equity. Gender justice and equity. These are very technical thing that if we have seen a lot of young men and women facing this problem. Someone wants to enter in the business, but just because he or she is not well trained on how to deal with this kind of issues, on gender issues, he or she finds himself or herself failing because he don't know the rights, what his or her right to capture before going. So they find themselves in the situation of giving this kind of rushwa, and that is one of the challenge. Another one is climate change. You know, in this world, if the climate is not favorable, nothing can grow. Neither business, nor human himself or herself. So the climate is also another challenge for making this economic empowerment happen. Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Clear Vision TV, bridging ideas to reality.